Hey everyone, hope you're having a great week. In this video, I'm going to show you all the last two catches of August. I filmed these on August 31st and August 30th. And I'm starting off with the field here, right next to the tracks. There is a coal train coming up. That is the first one I got on August 30th. And it was an empty coal train. Had 3 engines, as you'll see in just a moment. I did not get his number. I heard him call out the signal, but the crews kind of mumble when they call out the signal. So here's the coal train, led by 905, which is an ES44AH, and an ET44. Didn't get the number right there, the ET44. But yeah, here goes this coal train heading north through the siding at Mid-Portland. August 31st, I am out at Warsom Springs Road. I have gotten this track before, but if you're new here, this is an abandoned track in Springfield, Tennessee. I railfan on the Henderson subdivision. That's where I do most of my railfanning. So just want to point that out real quick. As you can see, got 2 rails like a normal track would, and the track used to serve this gas plant. The gas plant is not abandoned. I have seen the gas company serve that gas plant, but it's very rare to see them. I have not seen them in a while. I almost never see them serve that gas plant. We do have spikes and ties left from this abandoned train track. Also, I can show you all the end of the rail where both rails ended. Here's the first rail. That's where it ends. I had to move some weeds so my phone can get the end of the rail, and I will show y'all the other rail where it ends in just a few seconds. I do not know where this abandoned or spur track connected with the main. Don't know where that switch was. It could have gone across Warsom Springs Road and connected there, or it could have connected before it got to Warsom Springs Road. I have no idea. But I do know is that Cortland siding is not as, it wasn't as long as it is today. Cortland siding was actually ended at Experience Station Road, which is now Mid-Cortland. Now it ends at where you're out in the city and get out of city limits of Springfield and you're going into Greenbrier. That's where it ends. When you're going south to Nashville, when you're going north to Nashville, it ends at Springfield. So here we got G439 coming up. G439 was led by AC44CW number 15. G439 is a loaded grain train heading to Georgia from Evansville, Indiana. And let's watch this YN2 lead G439. So before I end the video, I would like to point something out. This is, like I said, this is G439. G315, which is another loaded grain train, usually has one engine up front and one engine in the middle. This one had 3 engines up front, no DPU. So yeah, I thought I would point that out. There's another link in the description where you can go check out G315 back in April, having one engine up front and one engine in the middle. So thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please drop a like, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.